Hi guys, hope you're all doing well and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth and as you can see in the title of this video, it's going to be an unboxing, and this was actually a Christmas present from my husband. I'm filming this before Christmas because he bought it for me last week, I think, and it's just been sitting on my cupboard, so I just wanted to open it. So I'm obviously opening it before Christmas just because I want to wear it during the holidays. So anyway, yeah, I'm opening it in advance. So it's an early Christmas gift and it is from the beautiful Dior. This is, I think, my third pair. Yeah, this is now, oh, I'm not gonna say it now first. I'm not gonna say what's in the box for now, so I'll get into the details a little bit later on. But it came in this beautiful holiday packaging, and guys, this is actually my first ever Dior holiday packaging. I only have the normal Dior packaging, and this year they came out with this beautiful design. I don't know what it's called, but it's so beautiful. Dior is really on point with their packaging. I really love what they do. Like Chanel has nice packaging, but Dior is much better because they also put this. As you can see behind me, I have it displayed over here. Like all the ones that I get whenever I buy something from Dior. So this is my fourth piece from Dior. So it came in this little star with the Dior engraved on it. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this because I'm so excited. This was actually bought from the Dior store here in Qatar. It's actually my first time buying from them. All the Dior items that I have, I've been buying it in Europe whenever we travel. So this is my first purchase at the Dior store here in our local country, in Qatar. So let's go ahead and open it. So the receipt is right over here. I'll get into the prices and the details once I show you the item. Let's put that aside. They also added this Dior catalog on the paper bag. Let's see. So it's just all about the collection that they have for right now. So I'll get into that later on. Let's put that aside as well. And the item is, ta-da! Alrighty, so as you can see, this is a shoebox. So let's open and see what shoes are in this. So this is actually my third pair of shoes from Dior now. I'm into Dior shoes a lot since this is my third pair. I just love Dior customer service. I love their design, their packaging, and yeah, everything they come up with. I really love it. So anyway, let's get into what's in the box. So it came with this small envelope, and I think this is the authenticity? Just purchase a pair of Dior shoes and we thank you for the choice, blah 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 blah. Yeah, I think it's just like an information about Dior shoes and all those good stuff. So I don't know if this is considered their authenticity, but I'll keep this in the box. And as usual, it comes with two Dior dust bags in this beautiful gray color. And here are the shoes. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me take it out and remove all the stuffing. I'm so excited. You know, I've been staring at the bag for how many days now, wanting to film this and unbox it. So finally got the time to do so. I got the Dior sling bags in the kitten heel version, in the technical gross grain fabric, and it's so beautiful, guys. I've been eyeing on this shoe for such a long time, but I've always been putting it on the side and choosing other shoes just because I wanted to carefully think about the collection that, or the shoes that I add onto my collection. And as you can see, I have so many flat sandals. That's what I always wear here in Qatar. I just want an easy, comfortable shoe that I can just slip my foot right in. And since I already have a good amount of shoes in that design and in that collection, I thought, why not invest in a pair of some dressy shoes. I only have like really one dressy shoe, which is my Valentino rock stud pumps, and I have some sandals from Valentino as well, but this is more on the it can be casual and it can be dressy. So yeah, anyway, I've only worn this a couple of times, once in my wedding and then a few other events here and there, maybe 5 to 10 times. So I've always been thinking that I don't need another one just because I don't get much wear with my Valentino. But I thought with this one, this time I can actually wear this for special occasions, and I can also wear this casually because of the fabric material, and also this is such a cool trendy shoe, so it's nice with dresses and also with jeans. It will go well with the outfits that I have because I can play with it with casual and dressy outfits. So I went with this. At first, I was actually eyeing on the flat version. I've always been, in my mind, I've always thought that I would get the flat version. However, I've tried that many times, and whenever I try it on, it just really puts me off with buying the shoe. That's why I end up buying something else from Dior, because when I try the flats on, it just doesn't really look that good on my feet, because I have long feet. I am a size 41 mostly, so with the flat shoes and it's a pointed design, it makes my feet look longer. So yeah, I tried on the kitten heel, which is actually the first time, because usually when I go to Dior, I only try the flat slingbacks, and then when I tried this on, because I said, okay, let's give it a try, let's see how the kitten version will look like on my feet, and it's much better looking in my feet with this one. Even my husband agrees that this is beautiful. He hates the flats actually, so he said that with this one it's really beautiful and nice on my feet. So yeah, this is what I chose as my Christmas gift from my husband. So I love the details. Look, it's still so clean and smells so good. Anyway, that's weird, but yeah. And then it has this star detail on the sole, and I got this in size 41.5. So my left foot is smaller than my right, so I feel that with the left it's not as snug here in the sling back as to my right. I feel that on the left it's a little bit loose, but it's not really coming down, so I think that will not be a problem. If so, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, these are the beautiful shoes, and I'm so excited to get a lot of wear with this. Right now I am on my 3rd trimester, so I'm really just wearing sneakers or flat sandals. But yeah, I know that after this pregnancy I'm gonna get a lot of wear with this. Also, I decided to just go with the kitten heel, not only because it's much prettier, but also I thought if I'm gonna go with just one sling back, or if I'm gonna add just one sling back on my collection, then I should go with the most classic one that Dior has, which is the kitten heel version. And I love the detail that it has like this. And also I've seen many reviews that these are very comfortable just because the heel doesn't sit on the very edge. It sits over here, which is a little bit like in line with your leg bone. I don't know. But that's what they say. They say it's very, very comfortable. So I'm looking forward to wearing this a ton. Also, it's not as big of a heel, so it's not too dressy really if I'm gonna wear this with jeans, or if I'm just going to the mall or something like that. I don't really go somewhere fancy. So yeah, something that's not too dressy would really fit in with my lifestyle. So yeah, these are the shoes. So I think I'm gonna wear this during Christmas or maybe New Year's. So I'm so excited. And how many times have I said I'm so excited in this video? By the way, if you're here in Qatar, I just want to share the pricing of this shoe. This is 3,600 riyals. It's actually, I think, the most expensive shoe that I have in my collection, just because I usually get my shoes in Europe, so I get tax refund and it's a lot cheaper in Europe. So yeah. Anyway, this is like a small treat for myself since it's Christmas. And yeah, this pregnancy has been easy on me, but still I want to treat myself. Anyway, that is the unboxing, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did unboxing this video. If you made it this far, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next one. Have an awesome and beautiful day, and Merry Christmas. Bye.